Papa, it's move-in day! This is how you move into a house. Take care, have a great day. Welcome to my new house. Come on in. This is the kitchen. And guess what we have in the refrigerator? We have Dom and Dom and Dom. This is the first bottle of champagne being popped at my new house. Hot sauce, champagne, and water. These are the Persian essentials. Papa, you want some Dom? No? He only with Chris. Let's go see the master. Welcome to the master bedroom. Now this is where some magic is gonna happen. This is gonna be our first night sleeping in the house. Hopefully Adam's in the mood tonight. Thanks for coming by, but I don't like people in here when there's a big mess, so it's time for you guys to bust and move on out of here and come back when everything is put together, especially me. Now we gotta get this house in shape.